Hello viewers, welcome to Girls Dairy. Today's DIY is how to color your hair naturally at home. Let's get started. Take a non-metallic bowl and add 1 cup of henna powder to it. You can adjust the henna powder quantity based on your hair length. Henna gives a reddish burgundy tint to your hair and the beetroot juice enhances the redness. Add small amount of liquids now, you can adjust it later. Adding 1/4 cup of fenugreek water to the henna mixture. To prepare this, mix 2 to 3 tablespoons of fenugreek powder into the water. Mix all the ingredients together. You can adjust the consistency of the mixture by adding henna powder or beetroot juice. As you can see, the mixture is little thick, so I am adding small amount of beetroot juice and the fenugreek water to adjust the consistency. Take 1/4 cup of water and add 1 tablespoon of coffee powder to it. Add the coffee liquid to the mixture. The coffee powder deepens the color and gives it a richer tone. Adding 1 tablespoon of lemon juice to it. Diluted lemon juice can enhance the hair's natural shine. To make the application process easy, you can add 1 to 2 tablespoons of any oil. Here I am adding olive oil to it. Mix well and make sure there are no lumps in it. Let it sit for 1 to 2 hours. Once soaked, you can apply it with a brush or you can use your hands. It will give a slight hint of color to your hands, but it will go after some time. Take sections of your hair and apply it from root to tip. Leave it for 1 to 2 hours, then rinse it off with lukewarm water. I hope you like this video. Thanks for watching. Please do like, share and subscribe to Girls Dairy.